Tanzania, Africa's most peaceful nation, and home to the gold exploration company, Kilimanjaro Gold. Tanzania lies on the historic crossroads of Africa, and thanks to centuries of migration, 120 ethnic groups now work and live in harmony within its borders. Tanzania's economy has grown at an average rate of 6% annually since the year 2000. There are vast, untapped gold resources in the country, and Kilimanjaro Gold is ready to invest and develop these resources.
Kilimanjaro Gold is primarily focused on creating value by exploration and identifying mineral resources. Our business focuses development of gold projects in Tanzania. Our strategy is to identify, acquire and develop projects with potential mineral resources of 1 million ounces of gold.
An estimated 1 billion ounces of gold lie waiting in Tanzania's soil, and currently only 4% of this gold is being explored.
We have a lot of resources here in Tanzania, natural resources, minerals, and all other sectors. These are the huge opportunities which we have here in Tanzania.
We have the Greenstone Belt in Tanzania. The Greenstone Belt is known to host world-class gold mines, similar to what we have in Western Australia and Western Canada, Ontario. The same rock type which exists here and the same geological settings which exist here give this area a high potential probability of a discovery of a gold mine.
Kilimanjaro Gold is run by a partnership of Swedes and Tanzanians, focusing on Tanzania's emerging medium-scale mining sector. The company has a solid portfolio strategy and has partnered with Josephat Mwita, one of Tanzania's top geologists, to develop the Mara mine, a colonial-era gold mine in the Mara region.
I think that the resources are going to be of the range of 300 to 500,000 ounces, even more.
The Mara mine is situated in the Lake Victoria Greenstone Belt, which hosts several large gold deposits, one of them being the North Mara mine operated by Barrick Gold, which has proven gold reserves of 3.5 million ounces and produces nearly 200,000 ounces of gold a year.
Gold is discovered in shear zones, exactly what we have in Mara. And I'm sure once we start a thorough planned drilling program, we are going to define an ore body within this property.
Mara mine was an old colonial mine and was mined between 1930 and 1970 when 65,000 ounces of gold was produced at an average grade of 15 grams of gold per ton. Also, there are substantial amounts of tailings left from previous drilling on the ground, which hold 1.6 grams of gold per ton.
The tailings are remains of already processed gold ore. With that technology which they used by then to process the ore, they didn't take all the gold from the rocks. Now, with improved technology, we can still recover the gold which remained in the tailings.
Tanzania has rapidly developed into Africa's third largest producer of gold after South Africa and Ghana.
We are doing very well specifically on gold. We are exporting more than 50 tons a year, and we are doing more to attract investors so that they can come and then invest in this sector.
Africa is probably the last continent for investors yet to explore. East Africa, where Tanzania is located, is extremely rich in raw materials, and what we see right now is the start of a raw material boom. We see a great potential in the region and expect the growth in East Africa to outperform other emerging markets in the next decade.
The most recent information, according to the World Investment Report, Tanzania recorded $1.095 billion US dollar worth investment.
There's strong economic growth, there's political stability, and the legal framework for foreign investors is attractive.
Kilimanjaro Gold recognizes the opportunity that Tanzania offers and welcomes you to join in the exploration and development of Tanzanian gold.